Let me have a piece. Why didn't you have? Oh my God! What kind of cheese is this? I didn't see you buy it. Wow, you have cheese there all the time. How much is this?
70.
70. I haven't had cheese in forever. I didn't even know they sold cheese there. Oh my God. Mmm. Oh my God. I'm gonna hapak you. They have that one in the fridge or what?
No.
70 for that little. Wow, that is kind of expensive though. Right.
Yeah, this is expensive.
Yeah, it is. But it doesn't hurt to have it once in a while, baby. Cheese, that cheese and the avocados are almost ready. So if I could make me a bowl with potato, eggs, with a big old fat avocado and some cheese. Yeah, it's not ready. Yeah, it's good. It kind of tastes like cream cheese. Well, no. It kind of tastes like Philadelphia cheese a little bit. She doesn't know which that one is.
May. Uy, May. Wala ni magisulat. Magtambis sila kalula. Magtambis sila kalula.
Baby, this one looks like it's bad.
Ha? Ha? Sure ka?
Mmm, that cheese is good. Let's see what they got over here. Bugas.
Ano nakabalo makawala mo? Ag dito ba sa ubos?
Basabos.
Pagkatubang sa doon sa mangga, nakatuod ka. Dito wala.
Tubang gamay tambis man.
Wala lagi.
Ano, isubay rin mo.
Napaot.
Nakato ka dito, biyang?
Kanya ang ubang tambis kay namulak na.
Let me share the I'll share the live real quick. I don't have any carrots, man. I don't have any potatoes or nothing. I only have spring onion and carrots, so that's gonna have to work with the fried rice. Well, I'm gonna put some egg on here too. I'm gonna put a little more. Está aquí medio agüitado aquí el fuego. Let me see. Let me turn this around. Blow some air into it, and it gets really stronger. It's gonna gain some strength. Right there, right here, she has sticky rice, so she's gonna make sticky rice with for the snacks that she's making, and she's gonna sell. I don't know if it's gonna be a wrap lumpia or what. Is it actually gonna be a wrap lumpia or what? Need to blow more air. Come on, air. Aquí está la llama medio calmada. Necesito que esté más fuerte aquí para echarle más. Ahí está. Pero necesito que se queme acá más para que agarre más, si no, voy a tener que estar sople y sople, chinga.